Alright, here's the deal. Here's the back parking lot at the Y. See if I can pan around here so you can see it. 90 spots back here in the back. And this is the first layer, the binding layer for the parking lot. They're going to end up probably pouring asphalt this week. They'll stripe out on Monday. We'll be able to use this back parking lot here on Tuesday, July 3rd. The back side of the gym, the gymnasium or multi-purpose room, and this is the back wall coming up. It's about halfway up. Hey, here's a video of just a big pile of rocks. Look at it. Hey, here's the back view of the building. Actually, that's just the back side of the kids gym, the gymnasium there I was talking about. It's coming up. You can see how big that is. That's a pretty good size square footage there. I think there's about 8,000 or 9,000 square feet in that room. Pretty big. Look at the size of this crane. This thing is huge. They're setting steel in place for the second floor. I'm going to go over and see if that guy will let me sit in it and run it a little bit. That didn't work out too well. I asked him if I could run it, and he may be chasing me. I got to go.